I have made over $90,000 with YouTube in the last 12 months, and it has completely changed my life. And trust me, this is not a get-rich-quick scam. You must have patience, consistency, and a clear target. Honestly, I believe YouTube is the best side hustle that you can start in 2025. The main reason for that is that you don't have to invest a lot of money for this. You can start this with just $50 and convert this to the next level business, and it will completely change your life. This video is going to be packed with valuable information. I'm giving this information for free because I don't sell YouTube courses like other gurus. I'm going to show you 3-step strategy that you can start right now, and if you follow this exactly like I teach you, you will be unstoppable. I'm going to call this method the NHC Method. This name stands for niche, high-quality content, and consistency. Let's start with the first step, which is finding a good niche. When it comes to a good niche, we need to consider 3 main factors. It should be profitable, low competitive, and easy to produce. Now that we have AI tools, creating content is super easy. Therefore, we should mainly focus on profitability and competition. I'm sure that you've heard the term RPM, which stands for revenue per mile, which means how much you will be paid for every 1,000 views. This value depends on several factors such as the country of the audience, the niche of the video, and the language. You should have a clear idea about what niches have the highest RPM. That's why I made this list of niches with their RPM value. You can download this document from our Telegram group. And guys, let me show you a method to find a trending niche on YouTube. For this method, I'm going to use this tool called nextlev.io. This is a Chrome extension. You can just go to this website and install this NextLev extension to Google Chrome. After adding that, make sure to pin this extension to Chrome. Let me show you how to use this tool and find the best niches. Once you go to your homepage with this NextLev extension, you will be able to see all the subscriber counts in all these channels. Now, if you click this filter option, you will come to this window. As you can see here, we can filter these videos according to the uploaded date, subscriber count, and views. But the best filter is this one, which is the views to subscribers ratio. For this example video, I'm going to do some research on the stories niche, then let's find a trending sub-niche and create a channel based on that. As you can see here, this video has 2.9 million views, but it has around 30,000 subscribers. So, we know for sure that this video is trending. And this one, which has 1 million views and only 49,000 subscribers, is also going viral at the moment. And guys, if you want to filter the recently uploaded videos, you can just use this to change the time period. It's really simple. Now, another cool feature is that if you watch any short video, you will be able to see how that video is performing so far with these analytics. Using this, you can find trending short video topics as well. I have selected this viral video from this channel. This video has around 216,000 views. As you can see here, this green dollar sign shows you that this channel is monetized. And if you scroll down to the comment section, you will be able to see this button called Analyze Comment. Let's click it. Now this tool will analyze the comments in this video and create a summary like this. Now you can easily understand what viewers liked about this video and what they didn't like about the video. Using this information, you can make your own version of this video and improve it 10 times better with these suggestions by viewers. Not only that, this tool will show you suggested video ideas based on the comments, which means you will be able to understand what your audience wants exactly. As you can see here, we have like 5 completely new topics for videos. The next best feature is that, let's say we are going to recreate one of these viral videos. For that, we are going to need the script of this video so that we can create a unique version of it. You can click this script button and you will be able to get the whole transcript of this video. I'm going to go to this channel's homepage. Now, using this similar channels option, we can find similar channels to our selected niche. Basically, we can easily find all the competitors in this niche. As you can see here, we have a list of all the competitors in our niche. From this list, I'm going to select this channel. Now, if you check here, this channel is a monetized channel. We can also see the analytics of this channel using this tool. If you click this reveal button under the revenue section, this channel has made $608 in the last month. So this niche has a high RPM as well. RPM is around $5. If we check the top geographic, the audience is mainly from the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. And that's why this channel has a high RPM. Just like this, you can use this tool to find the best niches and video ideas for those niches without any problem. This tool has a 14-day free trial period. So try this tool and find the best niche. You can use this code at the checkout and get 20% off. Just like this, you can find a good niche for your new YouTube channel. Let's move on to the next step, which is high-quality content. When it comes to high-quality content, you should mainly focus on these 4: video script, voiceover, visuals, and thumbnail of your video. Let's go through one by one. Script of the video. When it comes to the video script, there are several mistakes that new creators make. The first mistake is they directly copy their competitor's script and create videos. This will ruin your channel, and not only that, but you will probably get a copyright strike. YouTube has this feature where it can automatically find other videos that have copied your content, so there is no way you can copy other creators' scripts and get away with it. Instead of copying, you can make it better and convert it to your own words, or just ask ChatGPT to create a similar script but with a unique style. Even if you use AI to create your video script, you must add something of your own to it. Honestly, we cannot finish this subject in one video. Therefore, I have decided to create a different video about how to create a viral script. So stay tuned. The next factor is the voiceovers. Now that we have text-to-speech AI tools, we don't have to worry about this. I'm also using AI-generated voice. For this channel, it's much easier and time-saving. You can use tools like 11 Labs for this process. When it comes to creating a quality visual for your video, don't use steady images or image slideshows, because those fall under low-value content, and you won't be able to monetize your channel with those. So, make sure to use stock videos or AI-generated videos as well. If you are planning to do YouTube long-term, you must learn video editing. It's a must skill. You can learn software like CapCut or Filmora, or if you want to make more advanced edits, you need to learn Premiere Pro and After Effects. If you are planning to start a channel in motivation, stories, or true crime niches, you don't need to have a lot of editing skills. But if you are going to start a channel in finance, education, or similar to my niche, you need to have some skills to make edits. I learned video editing from YouTube only, so if I can do that, I'm sure you can do that too. The next main factor is the thumbnail of the video. I'm not going to talk much about this because I have already made a full course about creating killer thumbnails. Watch this video for that. Now, we can go to the third and the last important step in this method, which is consistency. I think you have heard the phrase, consistency is the key. Actually, it's true. Not having consistency is the reason why a lot of new YouTubers fail. As I mentioned earlier, YouTube is not a get-rich-quick method. If you want to build an audience around the channel, it's going to take weeks, if not months. Your job is to keep creating content. Don't expect to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours with just 3 videos. You need to at least upload 20 videos before even thinking about making money. Lastly, I want to say, don't give up. Your first few videos are not going to get enough views, but don't give up. Eventually, you will see some growth in your channel. And if you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel from zero, watch this full course on my channel. This video is more valuable than $2,000 YouTube course.